Did you ever come across these questions about electronics cleaning? ZESTRON checked these issues scientifically, independently from machine manufacturers, technically well-founded and transparent. Is it true that electronic components are damaged by ultrasonic cleaning? Or can assemblies be cleaned in an ultrasonic bath without hesitation? To answer this, one has to understand how cleaning by ultrasound works. An ultrasonic cleaning system consists of an oscillating tank for the cleaning liquid, oscillating systems, and an ultrasonic generator. The assembly is immersed in the liquid. The ultrasonic generator then sets the oscillating systems in motion, and the vibrations in the ultrasonic range are introduced into the cleaning bath. The vibrations cause an overpressure-underpressure change in the liquid, which creates growing bubbles that are invisible to the human eye, so-called cavitation bubbles. If they become larger, the cavitation bubbles implode. The implosion creates a jet of liquid that dissolves the contamination of the assembly. Two variables are decisive for the formation of cavitation bubbles: the frequency and the power. The performance of the cleaning system is expressed as power density in watts per liter. But where does the assumption come from that ultrasound would damage components? Damage is suspected above all in components that can themselves generate high-frequency vibration. For example, those containing a piezoelectric quartz crystal. They are set into resonance by the ultrasound, i.e., they are stimulated to oscillate. The component vibration and the ultrasonic vibration overlap, which could cause non-visible damage in the component. But the cavitation bubbles, which are supposed to dissolve the contamination, are also suspected of causing visible damage to the component surface with the pressure wave generated during the implosion. Nevertheless, ultrasound is a widely used process that has been successfully used for decades to clean millions of electronic assemblies. So can assemblies really be cleaned in an ultrasonic bath without hesitation? And if so, why? You can get detailed answers for these and other questions about ultrasonic cleaning from our cleaning expert. You will learn how ultrasound works in detail, which cleaning parameters could lead to damage on the components, what possibilities there are to avoid damage, why certain electronic components are sensitive to ultrasonic cleaning, how to find out whether ultrasound is suitable as an application, and whether damage to components can be ruled out, what to look for when selecting an ultrasonic cleaning process, and what tests can be performed for it. Request now.